Hello everyone. Welcome to my vlog. Today is a beautiful day, and I am very excited because I am going out to visit a beautiful place. I have been waiting for this trip for a long time. Now, I am finally here, and I am really happy. As you can see, the surroundings are very beautiful. The natural scenery is amazing, and the environment is peaceful and refreshing. The weather is also very pleasant today. The fresh air and beautiful surroundings make me feel relaxed and happy. Now, I am going to explore this place. There are many interesting things to see here. I am walking around and enjoying the beautiful views. I am also taking some pictures and recording this vlog so that I can share this wonderful experience with you. One of the best things about traveling is that we can take a break from our busy lives and enjoy some quality time. We can see new places, meet new people, enjoy nature, and create beautiful memories. I am really enjoying my time here. Every moment feels special, and I hope you are enjoying this vlog too. Let me show you some more beautiful views of this place. Wow! Look at this view. Isn't it beautiful? I really love the peaceful atmosphere here. It is a great place to relax, enjoy nature, and spend some time away from the busy city life. I have had a wonderful time today. This visit has given me many beautiful memories. Now, it is time to say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed this little journey with me. If you enjoyed the video, please keep supporting me and stay connected for more interesting vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Take care, everyone, and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.